Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Today's Friday, which is good. I have a few more things to do to the patio before tomorrow when Haley's bridal shower is. So right now I'm just walking the goat, and then I want to put him in the pen with the girls. Well, I got the goat in the pen with the girls, and now it's time to go turn that water back on. Sure is a pretty day. Let's hope it stays this way. Where's that diddle? She likes riding in the car. I left her. I didn't know where she was at. Poor doodle. Alright, the water's going. See how let's go for a ride. Lane's dry enough to bring the hay out of the back of the truck. Do that a little bit later. Okay, me and Sally came down here and hacked up some hybrid poplars. Trying to get only one branch to go up and then let it spread out. It was like a weed all the way around all three of these. Okay. Time to feed the pigs. Sally looking for mice. I haven't seen any lately. Hang on, Harold. The water's still full. Wow. Well, I'm not really liking this new feed here. The corn isn't crushed up enough for the chickens to eat, but this is supposed to be a layer mix right here for chickens, but there's a lot of corn on the ground. They won't eat it. It's too big. Well, even the cracked corn itself is not smashed up small enough. This is okay for the pigs, but those chickens will not eat big pieces of corn like that. So we'll have to make a switch. Okay. The pigs have been grained. Harold's over here sharing all his grain with these piglets. He sure is a nice pig. Well, there's a duck that's been out. Doesn't want to go back. But he's hanging out outside of the coop. Silly duck. We're attempting to use that compressor behind the shop. Okay, now we have onboard air. That's a big pile of ants. Well, I just moved the water again. I got another move or so tonight. I still have to go up and get the patio ready for Haley's bridal shower. All the chores are done, and pick some lilacs for my wife to take back up with me from one of our newer plants. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.